Now let's create our first blog post. Let's have a new post, tap on it. Down here it's creating. So this is the interface of this is how this is the interface of how we shall create the blog post. The first thing, it requires us to enter the title. Remember, we had earlier on generated the title for the blog post. So go back to ChatGPT, copy the title and paste it here. So we have successfully completed creating the title. The next thing is generating contents for the blog post. To save time, I did a research on TikTok. I went to TikTok and typed AI tool for students. Then it brought for me different option. But there is this video which caught my eye, which had each AI tool and its use case. You can see the first one, ChatGPT, is used for cheating. Then there is one for presentation. Yeah, it gave me, from this video I realized that I needed an AI. I needed to write about an AI tool for doing courseworks and assignments. So for that, I came back to Google and I looked for AI tools for doing assignment. Out of them, out of that, the best tool I got was ChatGPT. And the good thing, this blogger gave it a description for it. Then the same thing, I did it. The next idea which came into my mind was I needed an AI tool for for preparing presentations. For that, I'm going with SendSteps.ai. Then lastly, I needed an AI tool for generating essays. For that, I'm going with Textirod.ai. Then I came back to ChatGPT and I gave it this question. Next, we are creating the content for this blog post. The title, Unlocking Academic Success, the top 3 AI tools for students in 2023. The first tool is for doing courseworks and assignments. And I copied ChatGPT, the tool, then the description of it. Similarly, I did the same for the second tool, which is for presentation, which is SendSteps.ai. I came to its site. I think I came to its site, which is this one. I copied this description of it. I I gave it here to ChatGPT to understand how to then come up with the best content for it. Similarly, I did it for the last tool. Then after that, ChatGPT gave me this reply. Certainly, here here is the content for your blog post titled "Unlocking Academic Success: The Top 3 AI Tools for Students in 2023," featuring descriptions of each tool along with their links. The title, the title is there. And then the good thing, actually, ChatGPT gave me an interesting an interesting introduction for the blog post. The introduction is as follows. In an era where technology is rapidly advancing, students can now harness the power of artificial intelligence to excel in their academic endeavors. AI tools are becoming indispensable companions for students, aiding them in various aspects of their education. In this article, we'll explore the top 3 AI tools that are shaping the way students approach coursework, presentations, and essay writing in 2023. Yeah, the intro is a killer. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to, the intro is a killer, and I liked how it structured it, the tool, what it does, then the description of it. So I'm going to copy the entire thing, and paste it in Blogger. Let me copy the entire thing to save us time. Yeah, plus the conclusion. I'm going to copy it. Then I'll head over to Blogger. Then here in the content space, right click. Remember, you paste it as plain text. to avoid having colored backgrounds. Yeah. So this is it. This is a draft of our. This is a draft for our blog post. So let's make it better. Let's remove this description thing and the wording up there. I think that is too much. Control Z. Let's remove it up to here. Delete that. Then go do similarly. Do the same thing for the second and the third tool. Yeah, and lastly, the last tool. The last tool, I'm going to do the same thing. Yep, I think that's it. I like it this way. So to save time, I went on and completed the design of the website. So let me walk you guys through how I did it, how I achieved the final design for the website. But before that, let me walk you through the interface for Blogger. This pencil like icon indicates the view, the different view. You can view right now we're on a compose view, but if you want to see what is happening behind the scenes, you go to HTML view. This is the code, the HTML code for this website. You can see H3, heading 3, you can see PP for paragraph, alignments here. But since this is a no code course, let's go back to compose view. Yeah, this is our compose view. This is for undoing, this is for redoing. And if you want different font types, you can find it here. If you want to increase the font sizes, you can get it here. The different fonts, the different, here we have paragraph, we have major headings. If you want to make a particular text a major heading, you just simply highlight it, then you come here. You see this is a subheading. You can change it from here. Instead of a subheading, you can make it a heading, and here it changes. But let's take it back to a subheading. Then this is for if you want a text to be bold, you highlight it, then you choose it to make it bold. Similarly, you do the same if you want a text to be in italics. The same thing for underlining, the same thing for strike through, the same thing for changing the text color of a particular text. You can change it from there. If you want to change the background of a particular text, you can change it from here. Then if you want to insert a text, you can use that. Let me show you how I achieved here inserting the texts for this one. So basically what you do is you highlight, you come here, you tap on that to insert the text, and it will tell you to the text display. How will you like the text display to be? So for me, I went with the learn more about ChatGPT. So if you want, you can say get more information here. Yeah, that's the text to display. Then you provide a link from here. Then after that, you can check this box, open this link in a new windows. That is when somebody clicks on this link, it will open a new window. But by default, it opens a new window. Then you hit apply, then you're good to go. If you want to insert an image, you insert from here. If you want to insert a video, you can do it from there. Similarly, if you want to make different alignments, you can achieve it from this button. Yeah, so that's how I achieved everything.